Are you ready to transform your home into a festive wonderland with stunning red Christmas decor? Wondering how to mix traditional charm with a modern flair this holiday season? Stay with us as we uncover 7 jaw-dropping red Christmas decor ideas to make your holidays unforgettable. How can you decorate outdoors with red Christmas elements? Short answer: extend the holiday cheer outside your home with vibrant red decor that welcomes guests warmly. Key points: door decor. Hang red wreaths or ribbons on your door for a festive first impression. String lights. Use red and white string lights to illuminate bushes or trees. Garden accents. Add red bows, lanterns, or even poinsettias to your outdoor seating area. Love the outdoor vibe? Products featured in this video are linked in the description. What are some affordable red Christmas decor ideas? Budget-friendly red decor lets you enjoy the festive season without overspending. Key points: repurpose items. Use red scarves, mugs, or jars as decorative elements. Thrift store finds. Find affordable red ornaments or fabrics at secondhand stores. Natural elements. Collect pine cones, spray paint them red, and use them as accents. Planning a budget-friendly Christmas? Check the description for products seen in this video. Why choose red for Christmas decor? Short answer: red is a timeless color symbolizing love, warmth, and festivity. It's the heart of Christmas and effortlessly creates a cheerful and inviting atmosphere. Key points: cultural significance. Red represents the spirit of Christmas, often tied to Santa's attire, holly berries, and holiday warmth. Versatile pairing. It works beautifully with white, gold, silver, or green for a cohesive holiday theme. Mood enhancer. Red accents add energy and vibrancy to any space, lifting the holiday spirit. Hit the like button if red is your go-to color for Christmas. What are some red table setting ideas? Short answer: a beautifully set table can be the highlight of your holiday dinners, and red is perfect for creating a festive ambience. Key points: table runners and napkins. Use red fabrics with golden accents to add sophistication. Centerpieces. Incorporate red candles, poinsettias, or berry-laden wreaths as eye-catching table focal points. Dinnerware. Add red plates or chargers to complement neutral dinnerware. Check the description for a playlist of more holiday table setting tips. What are some DIY Red Christmas decor ideas? Short answer, DIY projects let you customize your decor while adding a personal touch to your holiday setup. Key points: mason jar lanterns. Paint jars red, add fairy lights, and use them as festive lanterns. Wreaths. Create a red berry or ribbon wreath for your front door. Handmade ornaments. Craft red paper stars, felt Santas, or pom-pom garlands. Love DIY? Check the description for similar videos filled with creative ideas. How can you use red in tree decorations? Short answer, your Christmas tree is the centerpiece, and red decor can bring it to life with elegance and charm. Key points: ornaments and garlands. Use red baubles, ribbons, and cranberry garlands to adorn your tree with bold, festive touches. Tree toppers. Choose a red star, bow, or angel to crown your tree with a statement piece. Accents. Pair red with gold or white fairy lights for a magical glow. Have a favorite ornament? Comment below and let us know how you style your tree. How to incorporate red into your living room decor? Short answer, your living room is where memories are made, and splashes of red can bring warmth and festivity to this space. Key points: throw pillows and blankets. Switch out your regular cushions for red or plaid holiday designs. Stockings and garland. Hang red stockings and garlands over the fireplace for a classic look. Accent furniture. Use red slipcovers or rugs to tie the theme together. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for more holiday decor inspiration. We've explored 7 incredible red Christmas decor ideas, from tree decorations to DIY and outdoor setups. So why is red the ultimate choice? It symbolizes love, joy, and everything magical about the holiday season, tying your decor together in the most festive way possible.